Welcome back to Average Points, guys, and today we are back on our V8 Sonoma build. We're going to get some parts painted, and we're going to get some of the Pour 15 second coat, some touch-up stuff, and hopefully get everything starting to get put back together. Also, guys, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. We announced the giveaway details for our 800 subscriber giveaway. Thank you guys so much for getting us to that point, and enjoy the video. Alright guys, we're going to jump right into it. So I have my springs here, I have my sway bar. We're going to get a good coat of primer and paint on those. We're going to go with the red paint, even though it's all, although I don't know what the springs are. The sway bar obviously is a stock sway bar. I just want, I'm putting the time and effort into, putting the putting the Pour 15 on the frame. I just want everything to look good. I don't want to do my best not to put dingy, old, rusty looking parts on something that actually turned out pretty good as far as the frame did. So let's go ahead and put some paint on this, hang these up, put some paint on, and we can continue on. Alright, so for this I have some 18 gauge, actually ceiling grid hanger wire for, like, if you have drop ceilings. This wire you would use to hold up the grid. This I'm going to use this to kind of hold up all the parts so I can get them painted. We have some Rust-Oleum engine primer. It's for high heat stuff. Even though it's not high heat parts, it's still in the vicinity of parts are at high heat. So went ahead and we kind of dual purpose this. Maybe use it to paint or calipers or something along those lines. And I have some red engine enamel. Hopefully the two play well together. I don't see why not, but is what it is. So let's go ahead and put this stuff up. Those three parts are finished getting painted. They turned out actually pretty good. Can't complain. Yep. So let's work on the Pour 15 on the frame. I still have to do. I have to do a second coat, and I also have to do underneath the frame with the Pour 15. So let's work on that now. Alright, we're back for another night here. Got some help. What do we have to do, guys? We have to I never wired brushed the bottom of this frame and painted it, so I'm gonna quick do that, and then we're gonna start putting some pieces back on, including the sway bar. We got the ball joint, or the control arms over there, upper and lower. They all gotta go back on, and the other side of them, I painted the bottoms of all those things, so the tops still have to be painted. So let's go ahead and get going. What do you think? Yeah? What were you gonna say? All right, let's get to work. Action.
Hey y'all! No, I do.
What do you want to do?
Anything.
Anything?
Besides getting me dirty.
Want to be my camera guy?
Sure.
You hold it?
Mm-hmm.
Then we'll start putting parts on.
Dad, what do I do?
Huh? What do you want to do?
Give you the right. I'm gonna give you the tools.
The tools?
Mm-hmm. And everything else.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and set these upper control arms in place here. You wanna do the honors? Come here. Alright. Put it on there. There you go. Now hit it. Keep doing it. Go. Keep doing it. Oh, don't let it go off. Okay, do it again. One more. Let's try this one. There. Look. Did you go backwards? Huh. Good. Alright.
I see a hole down there.
Alright, I'm gonna put this one on. Push the button. Alright, that's it. Good. Alright, so this guy over here, he torqued down. Well, actually, he didn't torque them down. He tightened down the upper control arm nuts. We are missing one over there. I'm hoping that comes across. Huh. I'm hoping we come across that one when we start cleaning up a little bit, but we'll find that. These are just actually aren't even tightened all the way down. I'm gonna go ahead and torque them once everything's set in place. So let's go ahead. I got the lower control arms over here. Let's try to get those in place and get the springs in place and see what we start looking like. So I just realized a couple things here. One, I thought I prepared myself, but these lower control arms, obviously the tops aren't done yet. Won't be ready. I have to paint the top of these, and in order for me to install these, the spring needs to be ready to go in. In order for the spring to be ready to go in, I have to paint the tops. So we're gonna hold off. We're gonna stop here. Next video, we'll paint the tops of these, paint the tops of the upper control arms, and by then we'll have I gotta go grab a ball joint puller to get the ball joints out of the lower control arms. You know, I just need to prepare myself a little better. So, and also the spring, I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with these shock. I mean, they're not torn, they're just dirty and, you know, old. But in reality, if they're not torn, not broken, they shouldn't, you know, these really aren't anything, right? So I'm not 100%. I'll see how much these are, whether to replace them or not, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys. So we are doing that giveaway for the 800 subscriber mark that we hit. So again, please comment below on this video, and you can be entered to win the giveaway that we do. I'm not even sure what we're doing yet, but we will be doing a live, just like we did last time with the duck races. Everyone seems to like that. So live Instagram giveaway for the 800 subscriber. Make sure you subscribe, comment below on this video, and you'll be entered to win for that. So until then, me and this guy, we're gonna go eat some snack. All right, you want some snack? Yeah. And we'll get ready for bed, and I'll catch you guys next time. Later.